start.
Hello everyone, welcome to the HISTians talk show Coffee with HIST. Here we will come with the students who have passed out from our college and have created a landmark in this industry. So if we talk about Heritage Institute, it has started in 2006 and 2007 in Agra and in Shimla. The Agra campus, as you people now know, and I think we should feel proud of it that it has become IHM now. And so far, the Shimla campus is concerned, it is affiliated to HP University, which is Himachal Pradesh University. So, not taking your much time, let us introduce our first student, who is from Heritage Agra, and he is from first batch. Name is Mr. Krishnakant Sharma. He is working as a reservation manager with Hilton Worldwide. Hello, Krishnakant.
Hi everyone, my name is Krishnakant Sharma from First Batch, currently working with Hilton Worldwide as a relations manager.
Krishnakant, can you tell me about your journey with this college?
Ms. Bhardwaj, it was fantastic journey. I started with the Heritage Institute of Hotel and Tourism, Agra, and it was a proud moment, and it was pleasure to having a first batch student from HIST. And of course, it was great for me because I am from Agra and I got the opportunity to study in a hometown. So it was fantastic experience for me.
Okay, so what made you choose hospitality industry?
Of course, it is very important question you asked me because it is related to my hobby basically because I have two hobbies in my life. One is read Ramayana and second is interacting with people.
Okay.
So this is the one of the most important industry where you can meet the people from across the globe. So that's why I choose this industry, and the industry is teaches the importance of teamwork, and it's job security as well as it is a great work flexibility as well. That's why I choose the particular industry, and I am very happy to being a part of hospitality. That's about that's why I choose that particular industry, and I am with I'm no it's good for me to be here.
Krishnakant, can you please tell that what you were before joining Heritage Institute and now what you are? What is the difference between that Krishnakant and this Krishnakant sitting as a reservation manager in front of us?
Ms. Bharadwaj, frankly speaking, I was before not joining HIST or did not complete my this course and did not get my job in hospitality. I was just regular or a simple kind of a man in my village, and but when I completed this course, I got an opportunity to work with the five-star hotels and explore myself various cities. So I able to went there and explore the culture and met with the different kind of people. So it's a amazing experience, amazing difference now and then.
That's great. So do you remember your first interview that you have given? Can you share that experience with us?
Certainly, ma'am. It's an honor. It was honor for me because I was a student who got selected in the first campus interview that was for a Radisson Varanasi, and approximately 80 students took place, participate in that campus interview, and me and one other guy was there by the name of Om Prakash. He's working right now in Delhi. I forgot the name of the hotel, and there were two more girls was there. Those were selected basically for a Radisson Varanasi, and me and one more girl joined there, and another two people did not join. So, and it was a different feeling that day because our director, Mr. DK Singh, he was very happy and he distributed sweets that day. I can remember that when he got selected.
Yes.
We were the students.
Sweets were still in the mind.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you give any tips to the kids who are pursuing the course?
For sure, ma'am. As far as my knowledge concerned, as I have that much experience, I can tell the people who would like to join that particular industry, the hospital industry, ma'am. It can be hotels, can be a restaurant, it can be a aviation, or it can be a tourism. So first of all, ma'am, we should have a focus in ourselves. What happened, ma'am? I tell you what happened and what I experienced. While we were doing a HM, because there are people who thought it is a fantastic industry and this is charming and all, but once they will go for a IT industrial training,
Yes.
they don't like it. So we should focus and we should plan in that manner that if we are investing our hard earning money of our parents doing this course or anything, any course, but we should have a courage, we should have a determination to go ahead, and this is a good industry to earn if you have a good experience. There are many friends of mine those are working in abroad, Maldives, Waldorf Astoria. This is the finest hotel of the Hilton Worldwide portfolio, and there are more people are working in Marriott hotels and cruise. And from my batch, there are few people working in cruise liner like a Royal Caribbean. So they are getting approximately 36 lakh per annum, and so there's a huge scope. But right now, this industry is a little bit suffering because due to pandemics, it's across the globe. But we will recover it, and right now it's recovering.
Worldwide crisis, no one can do anything. Just we can do is stay
But it is
safe and be patient.
certainly, ma'am, it is fantastic industry to join, ma'am. And there's no rocket science. So we should have humble and we should have a hospitality inside in our
Yes.
heart. We should welcoming and we should take our guest as a god for sure, because in our Shastra and Puran we say Athati Devo Bhava. So that particular spirit we should have. If we have that particular spirit, and you can do anything, and you will be an rocky star in this industry.
So if we precisely say that, we should remember only one line, Atithi Devo Bhava. That's it. And you can be a good hotelier then.
Of course, we have a courage, we have a determination about that, and we should feel that particular slogan that being an Indian, if you are going to introduce yourself in that particular industry, if you want to grow yourself, then of course we should have.
One thing that you miss about your college, only one thing.
What, ma'am? Tell me.
That's the main thing that you miss about your college.
Of course, ma'am. I hope you are asking that how it was and what was there's the memories, and that it was a fantastic.
I think it's the very interesting phase of everyone's life, college days.
Certainly, ma'am. There are so many friends in our contact, and we talk each other, and we feel proud and special. Ma'am, there are 2-3 friends of mine. They are not like a family member only, because we didn't know each other before joining HIST, but we went there and we studied together. So it is a amazing family now. And trust me, there are a few teachers really they help me till now as well, and they are like my father. And whenever I get promotions or something best in my life, they always give blessings and say thank you, Krishnakant. So it's a fantastic journey, you can say, and it was a fantastic family. And it is actually, and we are connecting with our director of our Mr. D.K. Singh, and there are other students and teachers and professors. So it's a very nice to be a HISTian.
Thank you so much for sparing time in your busy schedule. And Heritage Institute always feel proud to be associated with you people. And you people have created a landmark, and you people have created the name HIST. Thanks a lot.
Pleasure indeed, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Bye-bye.